Hello everyone, welcome to Bread Basket Monday. Again, I know this is kind of coming close on the heels of the other one, but I needed to make something for breakfast, so I decided to just go ahead and make something out of this other little cookbook that we had wanted to look at. And that is the Molino Cookbook that I picked up for $1 at a thrift store. And this one looked really cute. Of course, you know, I really love this little 70s look to it. You'll see here it was copyrighted in 1976. And I thought we would go ahead and make these flaxseed muffins since I already have all the ingredients on hand that I need for this. We will be returning to this cookbook though because this carob date bread really caught my eye. It's got orange peel and orange juice in it, which is why I didn't make it today because I have neither of those things. But I do have carob powder and even dates, so I will be getting this orange juice soon so we can go ahead and make that because it sounds really good. But for now, let's stick with these flaxseed muffins. I know we had like a pretty complicated bread last time, so I thought we would keep it really simple and do something that doesn't require hours of rise time. There's actually quite a bit of bread recipes in here that doesn't require rise time, so that's really nice if you need to just get something done in a hurry, kind of like I am today. I've got some other things in the afternoon I need to do, so I don't have time to let the bread rise for like 5 hours like this other bread that I had thought about doing. So I think muffins is going to be perfect for today. I think I've showed you this cookbook before. I really like the layout of it. I think it's cute that they put in the first of the cookbook, you know, what they use and why and, you know, what it's good for and that kind of thing. I think that's really nice. They've got lots of good information in this cookbook, which I really enjoy. And then of course you get to the recipes. They have these really nice illustrations that I really like throughout the cookbook. And if you are interested in this, there's actually quite a few of them on eBay for just a few dollars, so not expensive at all, and something really fun I think to have if you're a vintage cookbook collector and you really enjoy especially 1970s cookbooks. Now I have everything out and ready, of course, including my muffin pan, so let's go ahead. We're gonna mix all this up and get started. Well, that was quick and painless. So we are ready to go ahead and put these in the oven. The recipe says it should take about 20 to 25 minutes. So we'll come back and check on them at that time and see how they taste. All right, they're smelling done, so let's see what we've got. Oh, they look done to me, so let's go ahead, we'll pull these out. We'll let these cool down for just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and try them out. Okay, now, given that this is from the 70s, and it's a flaxseed whole wheat muffin, I know this is probably going to taste like your standard health muffin that I remember growing up with, like from health food stores and that kind of thing. So that's my guess. That's what I think it's going to taste like. But let's see if it surprises me and maybe taste a little bit better than what you would have gotten from one of those health food stores. Okay, this does surprise me a little bit. I can taste that little tiny hint of sweetness with the brown sugar. But it has an interesting texture. The flax seeds really kind of lend a little bit of a crunch to it where you wouldn't necessarily think there would be. However, I do think this would benefit from, honey or some agave syrup or, homemade jelly, that kind of thing, which is what I normally do with muffins like this anyway. So that's not surprising to me. So it does taste good. It's a little bit surprising. It does taste like, a health muffin. So I wouldn't make these expecting to be blown away by like, oh wow, this is like so sweet and it's so good and light and fluffy. It really isn't. With that whole wheat, it's a little bit more dense than what you would typically, maybe think of as a muffin. But overall, for a health muffin that you can put some honey on, I'm actually not upset with these. Now, I did pick this recipe because I wanted to add more fiber into our breakfast. So this actually fits perfect for us right now because I had the flax seeds and I wanted this kind of fibery muffin. Now, I will be putting some honey or jelly on this, but like I said, I usually do that anyway. But overall, yes, I'm pleasantly surprised with these, and I would make these again. So there you go, a really fast recipe from 1976. Flaxseed muffins that I think are really good addition for breakfast and something that I would make again. And there you go. Thank you for watching another episode of Bread Basket Monday. I've really been enjoying these so far, and yes, I will be doing that carob date bread because that looks really good. So I think that's going to be our next one. I just need the orange juice and we're all set. So stay tuned for that one. I'll see you then. Bye.
And if you like historical cooking and unusual cookbooks, here's 2 more videos you might enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.